Hi, good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your weekend. In this video, I am going to answer a question that I get asked a lot, and it has to do with planning accessories. So we all love those. So stick around because I will be sharing my must-haves. Okay, so we all know that there's a lot of beautiful, functional, creative planner accessories out there, and it is very easy to go down the rabbit hole and buy all the things and feel that we need to have all the things in order to make planning work for us. But that is not the case. So as much as I love buying accessories, I wanted this video to be a video that would help you kind of create a little capsule of planning accessories. And I want to share with you my must-have planner accessories. And we are going to start off with, let's start off with my favorite, stickers. So stickers for me will always be a must-have when it comes to my planning system and my accessories. And the reason being is that even though sometimes I like to just plan out my day or my week very minimal, I do need to add a little pop of color and just add a little something to make the page pleasing to me. So with that being said, you do not need stickers in order to make planning work for you, but for me, I do feel that just adding a few little functional stickers here and there will definitely bring your page to life. So here I have in front of me a very small selection of my favorite stickers, and I wanted to share that with you. So I think that a capsule like accessory collection should include headers. So these are my two favorite headers. I have been using the Paper Panda headers for a while now, and I love them because they come in a set of 7. So it comes with social words, it comes with food words, it comes with to-dos, projects, home, work, and personal. So you can definitely use these on a weekly, daily basis. They have several different colors, and for me, they definitely are a must-have, and they do come in handy, and I use them a lot. Okay, so this is a new one for me. I received yesterday the headers from Sweet Caress, and I love them. I love the words that she chose to add to this, and they are definitely very functional, and they're definitely geared to my lifestyle right now. So this comes in just one sheet, and she has different colors on her shop, and this is the color taupe. So as you can see here, I already took out one of the 2 buys to use for next week. So here are the 2 options of headers that I am loving right now. So Paper Panda and Sweet Caress. Okay, so keeping with the theme of headers, these are one of my favorites for a few reasons. So Papery Planning creates custom headers, so you can add the word that you want. So as these already come pre-made, these you add in your description when you place your order what you want it to say. And the strips, she offers paper or clear strips and also glossy strips. So I have several, but these are the ones that I pulled out to show you. So these are all custom. So note to self, home, and to-dos, and these are in the color mauve. So you have an array of colors to choose from, and then the word that you want them to say, you just choose on your own. This definitely has a lot, so they will last you for a very, very long time. So the custom ones are definitely a must. And then last but not least, when it comes to stickers, I believe that you need a good set of dot stickers. So these dot stickers are also from Papery Planning. Again, she has several different color options. And the reason why I like these stickers is because they are tiny. So even though they are small, they definitely come, they look really nice on your planner page. So now I am going to show you, hold on. Let me put this little guy back. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I use these stickers in my planner. Okay, so first off, let me show you here the headers. So I love using the headers in my weekly. So I created the custom headers for this layout specifically. So this is the layout. Let me show you a blank one. So this is a weekly layout by Elmont Paper Co. So I knew that I wanted to have a header for here, for here, for here, and for here. So I reached out to Genevieve at Papery Planning, and she created week of, to do, home, note to self, and meal plan. So that is how I use my headers in the weekly, in my weekly spread. And then I also use headers. Did I use them here? No, these are the little dot stickers. Okay, so then yeah, that's how I use the headers. But oh, let me show you here in my daily. Yeah, I used it in today's daily. Where did it go? Here it is. So here, today's daily, this is how I use the headers here from Paper Panda. Okay, so next we have the little dots. And these dots definitely have become my favorite this year. And how I use them is in my yearly. So let me show you here. So they fit perfectly in a yearly calendar to highlight and color code your events. And then, did I use them in my weekly? No, I've been using Sweet Caresses Dewdrops. But yeah, oh here. So I use them also to label the numbers on this spread. So there's definitely several ways that you can use these little dots. Okay, so next, let's see. Okay, let's go with these. Let's go with the sticky notes. So sticky notes are one of my must-have accessories for a few reasons. One being that it can help you just jot down your ideas and not put them on paper. So as if you have, upcoming events, but they're not set in stone, you can definitely use a sticky note, and that will just, prevent you from writing and crossing something off in your planner. I also love sticky notes, and I've seen several people do this. You can print out on sticky notes. So my friend Rana, she prints out her schedule for her kiddos on a sticky note because it doesn't change. So it's just a nice way to add, a little schedule onto your planner without having it in a big sheet of paper. And I love specifically the cloth and paper sticky notes because she offers beautiful neutral colors. So these are the two options that I love. She has several different colors for the solid ones, and then she has two colors for the ones that have the little header. So yeah, sticky notes are definitely a must-have for me. And then we have page flags. So I am really loving these page flags by Paper Panda. So they come in a set of 4, and I like the colors, and I feel that they're really good to section off your different things in your planner. So the way that I use them is I will use them kind of as tabs. So here you can see I can just go within my goals and ideas section. I know what this tab takes me to, and here Same thing here. Oh, this takes me to the passwords, so I can't show you that. But this little tab here takes me to my password section. So it's just a way to section off your planner without necessarily adding another full-on divider. And let me see, how else do I use them? Yeah, I'm using them the same way here in my A5. Just like that, as little, you know, section dividers within the planner. Okay, so next we have, oh my goodness, these, you guys, the Tombows. So if you have seen any of my accessory videos, you know that these always make an appearance. So Tombow dual brush pen makes pens in different colors, but I personally love these two. So N89 and N942. So these are beautiful nude colors, and I use them to cross off my tasks. So once I've done them, I just cross them out. And for me personally, I like seeing them crossed out in highlighter versus, you know, crossing them out with my pen, which, you know, I do sometimes, but I just feel that it just adds, again, that little pop of color that you need in your planner. Okay, you guys, so I have saved my favorite for last, and I don't know, this little guy here has stolen my heart since the moment I first got a pair of crafting tweezers, I think very early on in my planning journey. So these are craft scissors that I use all the time. I definitely cannot plan with these, and the reason being is because I pick up all of my stickers using these craft tweezers. And the reason is because I don't like to see, since I use a lot of clear stickers, I don't like to see my fingerprints on the sticker, and also I feel that it gives me a more precise way of placing the stickers back on the page, and especially the little dots. These are so much easier because if you pick them up with your finger and then you place them, I don't know, your thumb gets in the way. So definitely the MVP of all my planning accessory videos will always be the little crafts tweezers. So these I got on Amazon. Okay, you guys, so that's it. That is the capsule accessory collection that I wanted to share with you guys. So in case you are starting off planning and you don't really know what to get, or you're overwhelmed with the amount of information as far as accessories that you see online, this is it, you guys. This is what I would recommend you have in your collection, and this will definitely keep things functional, keep things minimal, but add a little bit of life and color to your weekly and daily spreads. But this is it, you guys. This is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to share valuable information with you. And I would love to know in the comment section below what your must-have planner accessories are. That way we can all just share with each other. So please go ahead and leave that comment below. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video. Bye, guys. Take care.